Welcome! In this session, we will describe the variables of the credit cards dataset. As you will notice when you open the dataset file, you will see that there are around 20 variables. Let's describe these variables. The first one is the ID number of the client. The second one is the contract status. You will notice that this variable can take the value of close, foreclose, or if the contract is still open, it will say open. And you will understand that you cannot use this variable as an independent variable because you don't know what is going to be this variable in the future. So we will erase it. Then you have the start date of the contract, the age of the borrower, the number of dependents of the borrower, the monthly income of the borrower, and then you have the salary date fraction. And this variable describes when does the person receive salary. If salary date fraction is 1, then the person is receiving salary on 31st and will be paying on the same date. On the other hand, if they receive their salary on the 15th of the month, salary date fraction is 0.5. The next variable is the tenor in years, the number of years that this person or that the client has been employed. Then you have the fraction of loan in down payment. Then we have a binary variable which takes the value of 1 if the person has its own business, or the value of 0 if the person is a professional, if the person is employed in a company. Let's see the following slide. The next variable is qualification high school, and this is a binary variable that takes the value of 1 if the highest qualification of the client is high school. Then we have the similar variable qualification PG, which takes the value of 1 if the highest qualification is post-graduation. Then we have a binary variable which takes the value of 1 if the client is a male and 0 if she is a female. Then we have this full post-dated check variable, also a binary variable that takes the value of 1 if the person has given a post-dated check in full. Then we have two variables, fridge code and washing machine code, that take the value, that each of them takes the value of 1 if the person owns a refrigerator or a washing machine. And probably for those of you that comes from developed countries, these two variables will not make sense for you. But let me explain. In developing countries, these variables will be a proxy of the, I will say, lifestyle of the client. For example, a person that has a low monthly income but has a refrigerator and a washing machine, that could be like a sign that this person is living far away from his or her income, has a lifestyle higher than what he can afford. That's the reason of these two variables. Then we have a region variable that denotes the region where loan is approved, and the branch variable which denotes the branch of credit cards where the loan is approved. Finally, we have the two dependent variables, the defaulter flag that takes the value of 1 if the customer has delayed even once or 0 otherwise. And then we have a categorical dependent variable with 3 categories. The category 0 is when the client has never delayed. The category 1 is when there is at least one delay but always paid before 90 days. And the category 2 with at least one delay and the customer did not pay even after 90 days. So practically we have described the data set that we are going to use in our teaching case, and in the next section we will start solving and explaining in depth how to create a neural network model in order to create a credit scoring to predict the defaulters. Thanks for watching.